Hi, welcome to today's installment. What we're going to be making is deep fried chicken with plantain. What I have here is 4 pieces of chicken, 2 thighs, 2 legs. I've just already given it a wash. Let's get on with the other ingredients. Plain flour, corn flour, baking powder, hot sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, chili powder, mixed spice, salt and pepper, 1 egg, and 2 green plantains. Right, so we have our washed chicken pieces here. What we're going to do is just smother them in some hot sauce. I'm using probably 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. I'm just going to give that a good mix. And we'll leave that aside. Here is we're going to add our dry ingredients to the mix. So first thing we have our flour, corn flour, salt, pepper, baking powder. Going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Alright, so just give that a nice, good, quick mix. Right, so we're just going to crack our egg into our bowl. I'm just going to add our egg to the chicken. Give that a nice mix around. Right, so that looks good and consistent. What we're going to do next is we're going to take 1 piece of chicken into our flour, 1 by 1. And just give it a good shake. Just give it a few bangs and then coat again. Bang off the excess. And we'll leave that aside. Same again. That's the side. Right, what we're going to do next is our plantain. I'm really just going to cut off the ends of each one. And we'll discard that. Same again. What I'm going to do is, you can see a triangle here. What I try to go is for the top point and just slip down and along. Right, so we're just going to take the ends off. Just needs to be a rough scrape, doesn't need to be 100%. Right, just going to give that a quick rinse. Alright, so I'm just going to start here in the middle with a diagonal. And same again. Just going for 1 centimeter in thickness. Just going to put that into a bowl. Just going to add some salt to the plantain. Just going to add some vegetable oil to our tank. We're just going to go for 170 degrees. Right, so our oil's nice and hot. So just going to slowly place the chicken in one by one. I'm just going to dip that in. Nice little shake. I'm just going to check on the chicken. It's been maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a quick shake. Right, so the chicken looks done. It's nice, it's brown, it's crispy. We're just going to put this onto our wire rack and let that rest and sit for roughly 5 minutes. Right, so we're just going to throw in our plantain.
Got one.
Well, as you can see, we've turned the oil off. Our plantains are nice and golden. Nice and cooked all the way through. So we've got our plantain, we're just going to pop that onto our plate. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more recipes and content, please like and subscribe.